Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the WooCommerce website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to this option which is called WooCommerce, and then we have to click on this link. Let's click on this. You have to search this on the Google, and then we have to click on the first link. So let's click on the link, and then we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now the website is open. Now you will be able to see all the details here. Now what we have to do, we want to create our account. So now simply we have to click on the get started. So let's click on the get started. After clicking on this, as you can see what is hosting, you will be able to get these all details. If you want to read them carefully, you can also do that. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has in continue with Google. So now you have to choose the email address. You have to wait that which email address you want to use. As you can see, now simply we have to sign up. So I'm going to click on the sign up. Let's click on the sign up. So as you can see now what we have to do, we have to choose our email address. So I'm going to click on the continue with Google, and after clicking on the continue with Google, now simply what we need to do, we have to choose the email address, that which email address you want to use. We have to choose that, and after that our account will be created. Now we have to click on the continue again, and then we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, I've chosen my email address, and now as you can see, in few seconds my account will be created. So as you can see, my account is created on the WooCommerce. In the same way, you can also create your account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your account on the WooCommerce. So see you guys in the next video.